Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm in the kitchen today and I'm cooking up a delicious and savory shepherd's pie, and I'm going to show you exactly how I pulled this dinner together. It was very easy, it didn't take no time at all, and it's very inexpensive. And the weather here where we live is still quite cool. So this is definitely one of those meals when you make it, it'll warm you up, make you feel good while also tasting delicious. So guys, if you're in the mood for shepherd's pie, go ahead and keep on watching. Let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Alright guys, so this meal is very simple to put together. So we have some ground beef, some vegetable medley, along with some tomato paste, minced garlic, some thyme leaves, along with some rosemary, some parsley leaves, black pepper, some Worcestershire sauce. I hope I'm saying it correctly, but if I'm not, please let me know. Also some Himalayan salt, shredded cheese, and beef broth. And of course guys, I have everything labeled for you in the description box below. As you're preparing this meal, you want to make sure that all of that grease that's inside of the ground beef is strained off. So I'm going to make sure that everything is out of here. And the noise that you're hearing in the background is just my family watching and enjoying a game of basketball. I enjoy the game too, so as I'm cooking in the kitchen, I'm glad that we have like an open concept where I can see the game too as I'm cooking. So we're just having a wonderful time. And so now getting ready just to chop up this onion, chop it up finely, and then I'm going to add it into the ground beef and make sure it's sauteed in there. Those onions are going to give this ground beef just a great flavorful taste. So while we're waiting on the ground beef to thoroughly cook, you want to add some minced garlic to it, along with some thyme, some Worcestershire sauce, and some beef stock, along with a teaspoon of tomato paste. And we're going to whisk that all together really nicely. And it's going to have your kitchen smelling just amazing. Guys, I wish that you can smell what I'm smelling now. This kitchen is just absolutely in heaven. It's just so delicious. So guys, go ahead and just put that all together, stir it up nicely with about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll be adding our other ingredients. don't cook shepherd pie often, but when we do, we thoroughly enjoy it because it's one of those meals where you look forward to like each year, maybe once or twice a year. And you know that mom or dad don't cook it often, but when they do, you just enjoy it. And also, we like to enjoy it during those winter months where it's really cold and we can just kind of savor the flavors of it. It makes you all warm and cozy inside. So, this meal is definitely a hitter. So now that our ground beef mixture is all ready, it's cooked, I want to go ahead and add my vegetable medley. And in my vegetable medley today, I decided to use some carrots, some sweet peas, some lima beans. It also has some corn in there along with some potatoes. But you can use whatever vegetables that your heart so desires. It will not take away from this dish at all. And then you want to take your time and just make sure that all that vegetable medley and the ground beef are incorporated well together. You want to make sure that all those flavors are working together nicely. So when it's time to layer everything, it's going to turn out very nicely. I cooked my potatoes for about 15 minutes and then I went in with the test. And this is how you can tell your potatoes are finished. Just go in with a clean knife and you take that knife and you take it through one of your potatoes, and if it comes out clean, you know that everything is finished cooking. And so I just went ahead in there and just chop up all of my potatoes, and I simply added some salt. We added some whipping cream, minced garlic, and also some parsley to it. Whip it all up together. It's very simple. And next we'll be layering everything together. My mashed potatoes like a little extra creamy, so I went ahead in there and just added some more whipping cream, and I gave it a good stir. Make sure everything was mixed up very well. And then I took my ground beef mixture. I took an extra tin pan that I had on the side, and I took all of that ground beef mixture and just layered it into the pan and just smoothed it out just a little bit. And then I added the mashed potatoes on top of it. And once you get everything in the dish, you're just going to go ahead and just pop it into the oven. But I did layer it with some sharp cheddar cheese too, just to make sure that it was golden brown on top. And the flavors, guys, they're really, really nice. They beautifully work together. And you can have a dinner that everyone is going to keep coming back for seconds. And also, if you never made shepherd's pie before, you have to try it. It's very easy, it's flavorful, and it's totally like a family favorite in our house. So let me know in the comment section if you ever made it and how your family likes it. So we're going to go ahead and just finish topping this with the mashed potatoes, place it in the oven with some cheese, and I'm going to show you guys how it turned out. Don't forget your sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm just taking mine and I'm going to go ahead and just spread it out evenly across my shepherd pie. And I'm going to pop the whole thing inside of the oven for about 15 minutes on 350, watching it carefully just to give it that golden brown color and make sure everything is thoroughly cooked together.
You know that I miss us, but wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stole my heart away.
And there we have it, shepherd pie. It's warm, it's hearty, and absolutely delicious. Everything came together so nicely and perfectly. We have the savory meat, the rich gravy, the creamy mashed potatoes, and I'm just adding some parsley on top of it. But this is seriously like one of the most ultimate comfort foods. My family devoured it, and I know that yours will too. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any more easy and flavorful recipes. And give this video a big thumbs up, give me a big like, and let me know in the comments if you tried this dish. Guys, continue to take care of yourselves, also your families. I hope that this video has given you much motivation and rejuvenation, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.